Under Spring Cloud project, we do get multiple projects inside a Spring Cloud project. So currently we will be focusing on Spring Cloud Gateway. So in Spring Cloud project, there are basically various projects provided for distributed configuration, service registration and discovery, routing, load balancing, circuit breakers, so distributed messaging. So all these features are provided by this Spring Cloud library. We'll be focusing on Spring Cloud Gateway now. So in our upcoming videos, we'll be implementing this Spring Cloud Gateway, and we'll see the use case of it, like how why it fits into our microservices architecture. So if you see in our architecture diagram, end user is directly communicating to our customer service at this moment. So if you see in our postman, we have this customer service running on localhost and port number 8081, and we are calling out this endpoint for the customer to register that particular customer. So this user is directly communicating with our customer microservice, which is not the safe way to interact uh, with our microservice directly, because we are exposing our host name and port number as well to the outside world, which is not a good practice. So because in real time application, this customer service will be deployed uh, on a cloud, and it will have some host name or IP address attached to it. So we don't want that host name or IP address exposed to the external world in order to access this customer. So basically, all the requests should come through this API gateway into our microservices architecture. So if you see, API gateway provides various functionalities in order to route those requests coming from the external user. It routes those requests using predicates and filters. It provides circuit breaker integration. So in case if your customer service is down and end user is calling this customer service, so that time it will just give you the meaningful message that this customer service is under maintenance or it's down at this moment. So this circuit breaker integration can be done using uh, Spring Cloud Gateway. Also, you can do request rate limiting. So, a single end user is trying to call this customer service multiple times. That time, you can decide to limit the request coming from the same customer or the same IP address in order to prevent from DDoS attacks. Then it provides path rewriting as well, and it also provides Spring Cloud discovery client integration. So your API gateway can be integrated with the Eureka server in order to discover it from the outside world. And the main functionality provided by the Spring Cloud Gateway is load balancing. So if multiple customers are trying to access your customer microservice, so all the load coming to your customer microservice is balanced through this API gateway. So in our upcoming video, we'll implement this API gateway project into our microservices architecture, and we'll see how it works in practical. Catch you in next lecture. Thank you.